Tell the vlog what we're doing, Tom. You're very dark for some reason.
Going to Nydri. Seeing the waterfalls.
We're going on a hike. We've missed the bus because this guy spent too long getting ready.
What?
Well, you're only just ready.
Yeah, but you woke up late.
I did wake up late. But it's actually better because we don't need to carry the sandwiches with us then, which will be good. But yeah, what did we do yesterday? We've been rubbish vloggers. NGL.
Beach.
Did we vlog the day before? Don't think we did we? Tom,
Yeah, Preveza.
oh yeah. We made it to Nydri. Oh look, there's a pool. It looks nice here, right?
It does.
We drove through a couple of places which didn't look like they were really busy, but they're right on the coast. And it reminds me of Austria actually, because it feels like it's a big lake, but actually because the other side is land, but it's leading out to the sea. It's still salt water. Instead of, what do you say in Italian?
What?
It's the opposite of salt water.
Acqua dolce.
Sweet water. That's so cute. We're now going to the waterfalls, which apparently, according to maps, said will just take us 39 minutes. I don't believe that, because online it said 2 hours, but we will see. Maybe we'll go to the beach after because it was so nice. What day is it today? Monday. We're going on a boat trip tomorrow. And then we've got Wednesday and Thursday because our flight is late back on Thursday. So maybe we can come back here to the beach or go to Lygia, which is one of the other places we drove through because that looked so nice. Yeah, and then get our flight back on Thursday. Olive trees and lemon trees. There's an olive grove here. We chose a good day for this walk because it's quite cloudy, so it's nice and cool. And I think we'll have to go up quite a steep hill. But this is the way we're walking. I need to check the map.
Waterfalls.
These, don't know if I've recorded them when we were on our way to the beach. They're little boxes that you see everywhere on the sides of the road, and they have like a light inside. And what else? Some what are they called? Those cards? They're called like offerings. And we discovered that they are to commemorate roadside accident victims, because Greece has a bad reputation for roadside accidents. We wondered what they were. How did you know about them?
What?
Those little boxes.
I didn't.
Oh, you just noticed them?
Yeah. Some of them are also shaped like churches, aren't they?
Yeah. Look at this orchard. Oh, I don't know if you can see there was an apricot tree in there. So nice. I'm surprised we're not going uphill yet, really. We are a tiny bit now, aren't we?
A little bit. So far, so good.
I love these so much. My mum used to put them in my packed lunches in school.
So nice.
They're so cool. Do they smell? Oh, they smell really nice. So peaceful here. Look at these trees, they're so tall and straight. I wonder why. Here we are.
Is this it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. It's clear, right? Look at the water in the pool.
Is this it?
Yes.
Seriously?
Yes.
Okay.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, a bit disappointing, not gonna lie.
Disappointing.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be like some massive waterfalls.
Do you want to swim?
Are you sure this is it?
I'm joking. Nearly there. Wow, those rocks are huge.
Yeah,
I wonder how they're formed like that.
I know.
So nice to be in the shade, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just so nice and cool. This makes me feel like I'm in one of those videos they play on the treadmills in gyms, you know?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah.
Green.
Yeah.
What are they?
Shows you what water does to flora, doesn't it?
You know those glowing floors
Yeah.
which light up at the end?
What are they called? Yeah, I know what you mean. Oh, this is beautiful. This is so cool. Ruben's gonna love this video.
That's cool.
Yeah. Oh, oh. Wow.
This is nice.
Isn't it?
I want to
Lovely.
Cold?
No, not even. Oh look, the window. Look at that.
Yeah. I think it's better to go there, right?
Go on, you can do it. Oh. How was it?
Really nice.
Cold?
Really cold at first, but I really liked it.
How fluffy he is. Can you see? Is it in focus?
Yeah.
Wild eyebrows.
Wait a sec, wait a sec. Yeah, that's better.
That was blissful, wasn't it?
Yeah, really peaceful. Crab.
I didn't know freshwater crabs were
Yeah, same.
Cosa hai pensato?
Molto bello.
In English for the subscribers.
Very nice. Very refreshing.
So nice.
And peaceful.
Yeah, while we're on it. There you go. I wasn't going to go in. I actually did go in, it was fine. And it was so nice. I thought, am I going to regret not going in? And then I thought, yes, probably. And I was glad I did go in, so that was nice. What are we doing now? Going back down?
Yeah.
And then maybe going to the beach or...
Yes, the beach. Hanno la barbetta.
Oh sì, carino. Meh. Come si dice questo qui?
Coda.
Coda?
Mhm.
Coda.
La coda.
Hai una coda?
Io no, tu?
Forse.
Sì. Eccola qui. Eccola la coda.
Meow.
Is it the one with the
Dai
wheels?
lì.
Yeah, look.
Oh. We are in Nydri Port. Wow, look at the colour of that water, Thomas.
Almost green, isn't it?
Don't you dare. So nice. Tom was saying it was strange to see the mountains around the sea. It makes you feel like it's a lake, which it does.
It's like a little island.
Yeah.
No, it isn't, because it joins to the
What is Nydri?
this part.
Oh yeah, I'm
Doesn't
not
it?
sure. I don't know. We have to come here very early tomorrow morning. Should we come here and have breakfast somewhere?
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Because the only bus we can get which gets to our boat in time for the tour is at 7:30 in Lefkada. So we need to be here early. We'll be here at like 8 AM. It's going to be a long day. Do you think we can buy the tickets that early tomorrow?
Well, we can always buy them on the bus, can't we?
Can we?
I think so. They had the guy going out selling them, right?
Oh, okay. Well, look, he's getting his nets in. What do we want to do?
Up to you. Should we go to the beach?
Yeah. Hai fame?
Non tanta, tu?
Non tanta. Yeah. So this is what we're doing tomorrow. Our boat will be here, and we start here. Then we go here, here, and then down to Kefalonia, which will be nice. And then 4, 5, 6, and back. I'm excited. Stay tuned because it will probably be in a different video.
Which beach do you think is going to be the best?
Maybe this one or this one. These are the ones we've seen postcards of, isn't it?
The water looks very clear here.
Yeah.
Maybe it's just edited.
Yeah.
Let's see.
And here I'm not sure we can get off. I think she said something like we can't get off there. But I'm not sure.
Okay.
Vediamo. There it is.
5:21.
They get back at 5:21.
It is now.
So let's say 5:30 by the time they've docked. Oh, that's going to be a long day, Tom. Oh, it's so lovely. Look how clear the water is. Tom's going for a swim. How was the swim?
Really nice.
Cold?
Perfect temperature.
Speak up because I don't know if they can hear you.
Perfect temperature. Really still.
Yeah, the beach was quite wavy, wasn't it, when we were there? Last time it was so wavy.
Yeah.
It gets quite windy there, but it's so idyllic here.
You just float.
Yeah. Oh look, they've got a paddle board. That would be fun.
Yeah, that's the thing I couldn't do.
Yeah. It's probably just practice though.
What time is it?
10 to 6.
What time's the bus?
1:30.